Hello, everyone. Welcome to the first episode of my new travel series. This time, I'm heading to Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia. Tbilisi is a city full of charm, history, and surprises. Let's go. The journey started at the airport like all great trips do. Security check, boarding pass ready, and just like that, I'm on my way. Excitement, a little. Curiosity, a lot. My first impression, Tbilisi is a mix of old and new, and I was just getting started. The air felt fresh, the streets calm, and the city already had something special. Here's a look at the city from above. Red rooftops, windy streets, green hills, and history in every corner. From the Kura River to the ancient churches, Tbilisi looks like a storybook from the sky. Peaceful, colorful, and full of character.